Hello guys, turo po sa inyo ang chord ng Unstoppable. Simula tayo sa A minor. Ang A minor, ito. Isa, 1, 2, and then sa taas. Yung taas niyan, ayan. A minor. Eh? Ayan, A minor yan. And then, ang pangalawa naman ng chord ay F ng Unstoppable. Ito sa 1, 2, pangalawang string sa unang ayan pangalawang string, ayan, and then taas, ayan, F yan, F, na, and then ang letter C, 1, 2, 3, ayan, letter C yan, and then punta naman tayo sa E minor, E, sa pangalawa niyan, then una, 1, 2, 2, and 3, ayan, E minor, yan. Yan. And then, ang gagawin nating strumming is, punta tayo sa A, Strumming is down, down, up, up, down, down. Yan, ang strumming na gagamitin natin. And then, yung F naman, ayan, down, down, up, up, down, down. And letter C, down, down, up, up, down, down. And then, E minor, ganun din ang strumming gagamitin natin. Down, down, up, up, down, down. Bali, 2 by 2. 2 by 2 yan. Yung strumming. Yan. Intro. Practice lang po ng strumming. Matututunan din po nyo yan ng strumming ay ang una, ayan. A minor, down, down, up, up, down, down. And then F, down, down, up, up, down, down. And then C, down, down, up, up, down, down. Then E minor, down, down, up, up, down, down. Practice lang po, tsaga-tsaga lang po. Makukuha din po nyo yan. Down, down, up, up, down, down. 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 Ngayon, makukuha po nyo yan. Huwag po kayong manghinay na practicein to. Ako, tsaga-tsaga lang po yan. Okay? Down, down, up, up, down, down. 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 Bali, down, down, up, up, down, down. Yan po ang strumming na gagamitin natin sa Unstoppable. Okay? Meron ako niyang kanta at gagawan ko ng lyric na merong chord. Yan.